I'm not taking a picture, Matt. Go ahead, you can look out. What's that? No?
Let's take a picture of it.
Oh, I got it. I got it. It's on the video. Watch out. What's Daddy doing out there, Megan? Is he shoveling a path so Redford could go out and make a pee-pee?
Yeah. What's that path? Purple.
What?
A pee? Like a pee path.
Pee-pee path?
A pee path.
You're silly.
A pee path, Mommy. Now, but where are you careful?
Yeah?
Where are you careful? Shoot!
It's a mess out there, huh?
Yeah, shoot it.
Let's see if I can see Daddy through the snow. He has on his Johnny pants. He has on his Johnny pants out there.
Why?
Look out! Look out!
That our patio over there, completely empty.
Red?
Yeah, it's all wind blown.
Red, do you have to go out and make a pee-pee?
Red, you want to go out?
Go ahead, Megan, let him out.
Red, you want to go out? Come on, Red. Come on, go out. Come on, Red. Come on. Redford, you want to go out? Come on, Red. Wait. Matt, watch out, honey. Alright, well, hurry up, pull it back. He's not really going far.
He's cold. Hey, go make a pee-pee, Red.
Go make a pee.
Did he go?
How is that? He's trying to go for that path. Now go.
He's on the pee-pee path.
Because I'm not pee path. Because I'm not path.
Billy, he doesn't know where to go. He's saying I have to make a pee-pee. What is he doing? He's so silly. He's saying, where am I supposed to make a pee-pee?
Where are you going to make a pee-pee at?
I don't know. Maybe he's going that way. Maybe there's some room over there to make a pee-pee.
Baby pee path. Baby pee path. Where is he? Also, not coming this way.
Where'd he go? I bet you he'll be back soon. Oh, there he is. Do you think he went pee-pee? I think he went because he's just standing there now. You want to let him in? Oh, there you go, Red. He's cold. That's okay. Just a little bit.
No pictures.
See? Who's that? Silly. Megan, say cheese. Oh, you know what you have to say? Come over here. Stand over here. Can you sing a song to Gigi? It's her birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Is that all? Is that all, Meg? You want to sing happy birthday to Gigi? It's her birthday today. You know how to sing it.
No.
Megan? So, why don't you just send her a message? Say, I love you, Gigi.
How are you, Gigi?
Say, have a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Matt, you don't have to sing, but say, happy birthday, Gigi.
No! I want to see it.
Well, it's just a video. Redford, leave Willow alone.
I want to see, Mommy.
It's just a video. Okay? Alright. Say bye-bye to Gigi.
Bye-bye, Gigi. Bye.
And Grandpa, too?
Bye, Grandpa.
Say, I love you.
How about you?